Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have a Destash that I wanted to show you guys. This is all dies, and I believe it's 15 dies. I'll show them all to you. Most of them have not been used. A couple have been used once or twice, but they're all in great condition, good quality dies. This will be $30 shipped in a padded envelope. I'm going to send it first class mail. It's for US only, and yeah, if you're interested, send me an email. I'm going to turn off comments on this video, but my email address will be in the description box, and the first person who responds and sends me payment will get the Destash. So you can send payment via PayPal or Venmo, and I will give you that information once you email me, okay? So let me go ahead and show you what's in the Destash. Like I said, they're all dies, mostly tonic. This one is a die, it's a sentiment plus a shadow word, and I believe it says, oh, it says way to go. So from tonic. And then this one is another one that says good luck. Sentiment and shadow. This one is it's a two-piece set, and it's got the like filigree on the inside and a dotted diamond shape on the outside. And that's the back of that one, called Celtic Diamond Patchwork Die Set. The next one is this flower set, and did I use this one? I don't think I did. This one is called Simple Florals Lovely Lilies Die Set. But pretty flowers, looks like that would fold nicely. This one I definitely used once, I believe. Yeah, you could see I left a couple of papers in there, but I will poke those out before I send them. This one is called the Mini Crochet Doily Die Set. So super pretty. I think this is, yeah, this is 2 dies. So it has the outside edge that will cut out the doily, or if you just want to cut it into paper, you leave that out. This one I did not use, also by Tonic. This one is called the So Pretty Butterfly Column Die Set. I like the dotted touch on there. I like these dies. I just don't use them hardly ever, and I'm trying to clean up things that I don't use. This one is another die. This is just one piece, and this one is called Just For You Strip Die Set. And then this one says cheers. It's a sentiment with the shadow word. It has not been used. This one is 2 flowers, and each one is 2 pieces. So again, you can cut it into the paper or cut it out as a die cut. And this one's called Simple Florals Beautiful Buttonholes Die Set. This one is from Gemini, which is a crafter's companion company. This is the Peony, and this is a die and a stamp set. So it comes with, well, you could stamp it and then cut one edge or cut out both edges. So that is pretty. And then the next one is from Spellbinders. This is the tile border. So it comes with the tile border and then the piece that you could cut out the edge if you want to. Here's a sentiment that I did use. It's called Sent from the Heart, and it has a little heart at the end. So it is pretty. Just don't use it, like I said. This one I did use. Again, I have a piece of paper stuck in there, but this makes a really pretty edge, and you can cut out the edge as well. And it cuts out like 2 edges actually. So as you can see on the examples here. So it is fun. You can make it like kind of a pocket for you know, another piece of paper inside. This one is by Tonic, and it's a foliage and florals patterned panel. So I haven't opened this, but it looks like this. 2 interchangeable dies. So I guess 2 different edges on it. And then this one I used, but I've only used it once or twice, and it is really pretty. I just, you know, like I said, don't use it much. It's got this cute ice skating set, which I really liked, and then the skis, ski pole, the wreath, ski lodge, and For You contains 10 dies. So that's a really nice set. This one I never used, the Energetic Eden Liaison Die Set. So it comes with a lot of different dies, so you can make, you know, lots of different pattern pieces, and those are all the ones that it comes with. Okay, so that's it. So let me just count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, oh, 16. Okay, 16 dies, $30 shipped. Send me an email if you're interested. Thanks for watching. Bye.